Hello everyone, my name is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies and Vapor Blast Manufacturing. And today we're back with another video. So we are going to see what kind of surface profile aluminum oxide leaves when vapor honing. So we're gonna take a look at that. This is the before reading. So it's reading a 1.88 RA for surface roughness, and you can see the photo right behind it. This is what it looks like before. So we'll be right back with the after results to let you know what our measurements are reading and let you see a little bit of what the surface looks like. So we are back with our final finish in the wet blast unit. Again, we used an aluminum oxide on this sample piece of aluminum. We used it at 90 PSI. The pressure will have a little bit of a dictation on how rough or how smooth your surface is finished. But you can see where all of the lines were before on that cut piece of metal that they are now gone. It made it more consistent and more uniform with the finish throughout the entire piece. But it did increase the surface roughness a little bit to 2.78, so it's around the same as what it was when we started. Again, the big key here is the consistency. So this is obviously prep for something like an anodize, maybe a powder coat, a paint. So keep that in mind. If you guys have any questions, we're always available. Our number here is 828-202-5563.